Hello everyone, hope you all are doing good. Today, I'm going to show you how to configure basic reports. Okay, let's see. So log into Insta. Okay, log into your instance. Okay, to configure a report, for example, I want an incident report. Okay, problem report. Okay, so different kind of reports or on different tables we need. Okay, so to configure reports we have a report module. Okay, so go to the report module. Under report module, it's called reports module. Okay, so under reports module you have getting started, view or run, create new, schedule reports, import tables, okay, and header footer templates like report static, report sources, report ranges, interactive filters, map sources, map colors, properties. Okay, all these things are there. Okay, let's see how we can create a report. Okay, if to view or run the report, we can directly go to view or run the reports. Okay, and from here you can view the reports. For example, uh, i- here you have all the reports. Okay, here you have my reports. My reports means those reports which are created by you. Okay, those reports. Group means those reports which are created by your group. Okay, global means those reports which set to global to view by everyone. Okay, so those reports all means all the reports like whoever it creates reports, global reports, my reports, group reports, all the things will be visible here. Okay, so for example, um, let's open one simple reports. Okay, on incident table. Okay, for example, all incidents by location. If you open, okay, if you open the all incident by location, this is the report. You can view the report. Okay, you can view the report by clicking on the report or everything. Okay, like data type, configure, and style. Okay, go back. And you can search the report also. Like, for example, I want to search on incident table, type incident. Okay, so you will get here report title. Report title contains incident or reports, existing reports like incident breakdown, incident SLA bleach, all these things. Or table, you have incident table, incident fact table, incident metric table, incident SLA, incident task. So these there will be uh, different sections like report title contains incident, report table, all these things. Okay. For example, if I click on incident table, so all the tables, okay, all the reports on the incident table is shown here. Okay, or you can add some columns here, type, okay, table, okay, created by, last modified, scheduled, published. If you want, if you don't want to show the publish, if you don't want to show the scheduled, okay, if you don't want to show the table, okay, title is not there, only type. Okay, so all these things, okay, last modify when it is modified, okay, schedule, publish. So you can adjust the list configurations here also. Okay. Um, okay, now these are the reports and different types of reports we have like single score, all these things. So let's see by creating one simple reports. Okay, so to create a report, you can go click on view or run and create a report. Click on a create a report. Or or what else you can do? Or what else you can do? Like go back and from create new under reports module create new, you can click on create new and it directly opens the page. Okay, no need to go to view or run or something. Just if you want to create a direct report, you just go and create a report from here. Report name. So let's so a simple problem table. Okay, I want active problem. Okay, active problems. Active problems I want. So we have source type or different source type, like data source we have, table we have. Okay, data source and table. So there are source types are two different source types. Okay, for example, if I want, if I, I will explain you data source type later. Let's see table type. Okay, which table I want now? Problem table. Problem table. Okay, go to the problem. Okay, so if you have any descriptions, you can add it. There is no description for this table. To add the description, please contact your admin. Okay, and types. Go to type. Okay, or you can click here next directly, then it goes to type, or you can directly click here. Okay, so you have different types of reports, like one it is bar report, one it is histogram report. Okay, horizontal bar. Okay, Pareto bar, donut, pie, semi donut, area, column. So different types of reports you available based upon your requirement, and you can choose um, your report type. For now, I have chosen this default one is list view. Okay, list view. Okay, let's see the list view, and then we will change this report to another type. Let's see. Okay, and configure. You can choose columns, what columns you want to display. Okay, number, problem statement, state, resolution code, assignment group, all these are there. Okay, if you want to add active, true, active. Okay, or if you want to add some category. Okay, or if you want to add configuration item, you can add it. Or if you want to see assignment group. Okay, so you can drill down this assignment group because it is a reference field. Okay, you can drill down by clicking on this one. So if you want to add assignment group cost center also, okay, you can add it. Okay, like that, and click on OK. Okay, I will explain it. I will explain this later. Okay, so report title is active problems. If you run now, okay, so you will get all the reports, all the problems. 24. There are 24 problems. So I need only active problems. So go to the filter and type active is true. Okay, and run it. And run it. So now you get 15 reports. Okay, so now group by. If you want to group by, okay, group by state. I want to group by state. State, and now run it. So now you see automatically it's group by state. If you want additional group by, okay, you can add additional group by, group by priority. If you think that is a priority, add the priority field. Okay, and run it. And you see in the state new, okay, so you have, so it's group by state, and you can also group by priority by clicking on simple things. Okay, group by state and group by priority. Okay, and there is a configure function field. Okay, so when I click on configure function type, you need to save this report. Okay, save and continue. Okay, I have saved this report. And configure a functional field. What is this functional field? You can name as a functional field and select the date or add function or something like that. Okay, this we will explain later. Okay, so now you save the report. Okay, save the report. Okay, and in the style, if you want report title, okay, report title, chart title color, chart title. Okay, if you want if you are placing this report in a dashboard, there is a chart title you want. Okay, chart title size. Okay, chart title color. Okay, it's black. Title horizontal center. Okay, something like that. Okay, title. Okay, so now go back, go back to your reports. So if you go to my reports, okay, then okay, then search with okay, you can search with active problem or something like that. Okay, you will get it. You can make favorite also. Okay, you can make favorite in upcoming classes. Okay, so I want to see my favorite reports. If I click on, I will get it. Okay, favorites is on. Okay, something like that. Okay, now open this report, favorite reports. Okay, so this is how we can create. Okay, now let's see different types. So bar diagram, I will add it. Okay, if I change the type to bar, then you see the configure will be different. Okay, group by and stack, I will get it. Okay, so let's run the report. How it's see. Okay, so you can see the group by, we have group by state and stack is none. And stack is none. On stack is we have priority and state. Okay, so if I group by priority, okay, and problem count, aggregation we have count how many problems we have, count 5 or critical, low or something like that. Okay, you can count as average or sum, count distinct, maximum, minimum, standard deviation, anything you can do it. Okay, and set value formatting, I will explain you later. Okay, so now if I stack by prior state, okay, let's see. So you can see the priority group by priority and stack by state. So in the planning, we have new access and this one. Okay, so if you see total is 12, count is 12, and planning resolved 1. Okay, fixing progress, okay, 2, and access 5 or something. This will be dividing. Okay, so if you want stack by default, okay, stack by default, these active problems only, right? So if you want something like priority, okay, stack by priority and run it directly. So group by state and stack by priority, it automatically comes here, something like that. Okay, that's how we can create a different. So for example, this configure will be different for each type. Okay, for example, if I select a single score, a single score, okay, then configure, you see directly a count. That's it. So based upon that condition, it gives me a direct count. And you can change the style also, default color black. Okay, if I change to other colors and run it, so okay, so like that. Okay, so for each and every type, you have different configures. Okay, you need to explore more by changing, by creating different types of reports and things. Okay, so that is how we can create a simple, a basic report. Okay, and a basic report. For example, if you want to share these reports, okay, for example, you want to share this report to some other person. Okay, for example, this one is created by you. Okay, and I want to give permissions to able tutor. Okay, for example, if I impersonate, okay, ITL user. Okay, impersonate ITL user. ITL user. Okay, and go to the reports, close it. Go to the reports, view or run. Okay, view or run. In all the reports, search with active, active. Okay, so active problem. Table is problem. So there are nothing at all. Okay, so I want to queue access to ITL user also. Okay, how I will give access to ITL user or other users. Okay, how I share the reports to them, how I schedule the reports. Okay, so everything we will see in the next section. Okay, that's it. Yeah, thank you. Please do subscribe to get alerts for upcoming videos. Hope you will enjoy and learn ServiceNow. Thank you very much for your time.